Good morning, students of class 8. In the period of arithmetic, we are going to start new chapter 6, that is sets. As per the definition of sets, what we write as the definition of the set, a collection of well-defined objects is called a set. Example 1. Through examples, we will try to understand well-defined and not well-defined. Suppose in example I take the vowels of English alphabet. So this is well defined because we know how many vowels are in English alphabet. Those are A, E, I, O, U. More than that, we will not get any English alphabet that is the vowel. Example 2. Good cricketers. Of Indian cricket team. In this, we can't define who is good, who is bad in cricket, whose performance is good, whose performance is bad in Indian cricket team. So this is not well defined. So this is not a set. While above, this is a set. Example of a set. Example 3 we take. The students who scored more than 70% in the examination. So we can find the of a particular class, in a particular class, in the examination of your class. In this, we can find out the number of students who have scored more than 70%. Those may be 4, 5, 6, 11, 12. So that number is fixed, that is countable. So we can find out. So this is also well defined example. This is also a set. And example 4, if we take the example, intelligent students of your class. Intelligent students of your class. This is not well defined. Example 4, intelligent students of your class. So this is not well defined. Who is intelligent, who is not intelligent, that we can't say. So for that we write this is not a set. So through this 4 examples we can say which objects are well defined and which objects are not well defined. On the basis of this, we prepare the definition of a set. A collection of well defined objects is called a set. In example 1, the vowels of English alphabet. This is a definite number of vowels. Those are 5. A, E, I, O, U. So this became the well defined objects. So this is a set. The example 2, good cricketers of Indian cricket team. So whose performance is good, whose performance is bad, that is not fixed. Sometimes they will play bad, good players will play bad, and bad players will play good. So this is not well definition. So this is not a set. Example 3, the students who scored more than 70% in the examination of your class. So we can count the number of students who have scored more than 70% in your class. Those may be 5, 6, 8, 12, 15, like that. So this is also a well-defined example. So this is also a set. Now we come to example 4, intelligent students of your class. There is no criteria of intelligence. Only the report card or the marks obtained in the examination is not the level to show the student is intelligent. Maybe good students, due to some circumstances, good students could not score good in the examination. So it does not mean that they became bad or that became dull. So this is not well defined example. Therefore, this is not a set. Our second topic is representation of a set. A set is represented through two processes in two different forms. First is tabular form, and second is set builder form. This example of tabular form, if you write the first 5 natural numbers, those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this, what we are seeing, the elements or the members of a set are clearly shown. So this form to represent a set is called tabular form or tabular representation. Second is set builder form. In this, we write the representation of set in the form of algebraic expression x such that 0 is smaller than x and x is smaller than 5, where x belongs to real numbers, or x belongs to, it will be easy for you if you write x belongs to natural numbers, because these are also natural numbers. So in this what you see, this is the set builder form. X is greater than 0. If we want to change this in the tabular form, then see how will we change. X is greater than 0. It is natural number. So greater than 0, first number is 1, that is natural number. And this should be less than 5. So 2, 3, 4. This is the set builder form, and from set builder form we can change this. We can change the set builder form in the tabular form. So these two are the processes to represent a set in two different forms, tabular form and set builder form.